Welcome back to the last part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 16. So in the previous part, we had made a well-formatted prompt. That is, we are given the input of the email and then whatever keywords that has to be mentioned in the going email with the tone. So we'll just see that once here. And then I'll just explain what we have to do in this part. We have to prompt a LLM, that is the Grok API, using the Grok API to automatically generate a professional email using the prompt. Okay. So here I'll just explain once. First we're importing Grok. Now we have the email text which we'll enter first, and then we have to enter the bullet points. We prompt the user to enter the bullet points, and then we split the bullet points by commas, and then we remove the white spaces. We remove all the empty string if any empty string are there. Then we ask them to enter the tone map, that is, it should be formal, friendly, concise, or detailed. And then after that we have the function called build prompt. So all these so till here we are done in the previous video. If you have any doubts, then you can go there, clarify, and come in there. It is mentioned, explained in detail. Okay, so here we have a function build prompt. That is also this one also we had seen in the previous video. That is basically we give the email text, bullet points, and the tone, and then we get a professional email prompt from the model. So now we have the generate reply. So this is a function generate reply where the input will be prompt along with the API key. So the client is Grok and with the API key mentioned. So now we're using the model which is mentioned, that is Llama. Now the role is a user and the content is the prompt. So I'll enter in the message for the model, I'll give the prompt as the content. Now whatever it gives reply, I'll strip it, remove all the white spaces, and then so this is basically a prompt. So this is my prompt to the Grok. So this is my prompt to the Grok. So now after this we have the main function where all the inputs are taken from the user. All the model function is called. Now we have to build a model and then we have to print whatever the prompt is generated. Now using the API key, we try for generate reply. If it is not there, then we throw an error. Okay. So now for this to work, I have to first install Grok. Okay, so Grok is installed. So now I'll run the program. Chase incoming email text. So what is the incoming email text which I mentioned? Hi, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to know about the status of the order. Okay, bullet points is I wanna tell the user that it is dispatched. It should be automated. I can't sit and keep typing. So then it is again friendly too. Now I have to enter the API key, which is already here. I'll copy this and paste the API key. Okay. So here you go. We have the reply, that is, hi there. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for reaching out to us to know the status of your order. I'm happy to let you know that the order has been successfully dispatched and is on the way to you. You should receive it shortly. If you have any other further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We're always here to help. Okay, so best regards and then name. If I mentioned name, it would have taken my name. All right, so I'll submit the program. I hope you guys understood all the questions in this weekend's challenge. If you have any doubts, then let me know in the comments below. So all the discussions have passed, and if you want to practice more such problems, so prepare yourself for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. So you can practice all these problems on CodeChef platform. Head to the CodeChef platform right now and give all these problems a try. And I'll see you in the next weekend. Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching.